Good morning, guys. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Guys, so right now, you guys, we are making some Raisin Bran's breakfast. I'm off duty right now. I'm just gonna make some Raisin Bran's breakfast. I have had Raisin Bran's breakfast for a while, so I'm gonna make it, you guys. Now it's time to pop it in the oven. It's for 350. So I'm just gonna pop it in the oven, 350, and there you guys go. Looks so amazing, looks so good. So right now, you guys, we are heading to work. So I'll talk to you guys when I head to work. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are having some chicken and salad. Yeah, so that's what we are having. We make egg waffles. Yeah, yep, egg waffles. My elbows. Hope you guys enjoy this episode, guys. Do give it a big thumbs up, and we are watching Cloud 9. So that's Superstore. I always call it Cloud 9. I don't know what, but that's what we are doing. So talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye.